Ladies, ha! I'm so sorry that I'm
Late. We knew you would be.
We know everything.
Past.
Present.
And future. Indoor plumbing. It's gonna be big.
Great. Anyway, see, ladies, I was at this party and I lost track of time. And
We know.
I know, you know. So here's the deal, Zeus, Mr. High and Mighty, Mr. Hey you, get off of my cloud. Now he has a.
Bouncing baby brat. We know.
I know. You know. I know. I got it. I got the concept. So let me just ask, is this kid gonna mess up my hostile takeover bit or what? What do you think?
No, you don't. We're not supposed to reveal the future.
Oh wait, I'm sorry. Time out. Can I ask you a question, by the way? Did you cut your hair or something? You look fabulous. I mean, you look like a fate worse than death. Oh, gross!
Get it.
Ladies, please. My fate is in your lovely hands.
Oh, all right.
In 18 years, precisely, the planets will align ever so nicely.
Hey, verse, oi.
The time to act will be at hand. Unleash the Titans, your monstrous band.
Good.
Then the once proud Zeus will finally fall, and you, Hades, will rule all!
Yes! Hades rules!
A word of caution to this tale.
Excuse me?
Should Hercules fight, you will fail.
What? Okay, fine. I'm cool. I'm fine.